Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how I make a glamorous wall scone using beads, a piece of PVC pipe, a PVC clear sheet, and gold reflective paper. I cut a 1.5 inch of PVC pipe, then I fold the clear sheet and put it into the pipe and make the shape I desire by pulling it on the sides. I then use a strong glue and glue the sheet on the inside of the pipe. I then cover the pipe with the gold reflective paper. You can leave this part as is if you don't mind seeing the light inside, but I had to glam it up, so I used my glue to stick the beads all over the clear sheets. After I covered it all up, I made a hole on the pipe for the wiring. So at this point, you can feel free to use any other type of light. I just had to use what I had, and that's the strip lights. I also used this piece of pipe which I covered with the reflective paper and glued it around the hole that I made. I then used these leftover foam board sheets from this project to make the back of the lighting where it stands on the wall, and covered it with gold reflective paper. So here I'm just adding some pieces of foam board so that I have room for the wiring. I then make a hole for the wire and attach it to the beaded piece we made, and this is the final result. I really love the way they turned out. I had to make 2 for both sides, and I love the way they look expensive. So please give this video a thumbs up if you love this look, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. And as always, until my next video, God bless.